Hello foodies, welcome back to Atrium Kitchen. Today's snack attack is here. We are making chicken cutlets, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and honestly, way too addictive. These are my wife's signature cutlets, and trust me, once you eat one, you'll suddenly realize the plate's already empty. So let's not waste time, grab your ingredients, and let's make this crunchy magic happen. Here's what you'll need for these crispy little devils. 400 grams of boneless chicken, diced and boiled with just a pinch of turmeric and salt. Nothing fancy, just a little pre-cooked love. 2 boiled potatoes, because cutlets without potatoes, nah, that's illegal. 2 small onions chopped and 1 medium tomato chopped, the usual suspects. 1 egg, our secret clue. A handful of coriander leaves for freshness. Half a lemon to keep it zingy. The spice gang: 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon garam masala, and half a teaspoon turmeric. Breadcrumbs, as much as it takes to coat these beauties. And finally, 2 tablespoons of oil to fry them up golden and crispy. That's the spot, and trust me, once they come together, oh boy, it's snack heaven. Alright, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Wait till it's nice and hot. No shortcuts here. Toss in the chopped onions and saute for about 30 seconds. Just enough to make them sweat a little. Then add the tomatoes and cook for another minute till they start softening up. Now comes the hero of every Indian kitchen: ginger garlic paste. Mix it in well, let the aroma hit your nose, and you'll already be drooling. Finally, throw in chili powder and a pinch of salt and the garam masala. Stir it all together and boom, you got the perfect masala base ready for our cutlets. Now it's time to bring in the star of the show, our diced chicken. Add it straight into the masala and give it a good mix. Let it soak up all those spicy, tangy flavors, like chicken taking a masala bath. Stir it around till every piece looks coated and happy. Trust me, once this chicken absorbs the masala, it's game over for your taste buds. This down till all the extra moisture disappears and you're left with just the oil peeking through. That's when you know the masala has done its job. Keep stirring in between, don't just walk away or you'll come back to a surprise called burnt cutlet base. Just kidding. Once it's nice and dry with that shiny oil floating on top, turn off the stove. Masala base is done and it's already smelling so good you'll want to eat it as is. Now, grab those boiled potatoes and mash them up with your hands in another pan. Don't be shy, get in there and squish until smooth. Once that's done, add in the cooked chicken mix. There is where the magic happens. The softness of the potatoes meets the spicy masala coated chicken. Give it a good mix till it comes all together like one big happy family. Now sprinkle in the pepper powder and mix it all up. Keep going until everything blends in nicely and you've got yourself a dough-like mixture. Now this is the magic cutlet dough, soft, spicy and ready for action. If you can resist sneaking a bite at this stage, you got a stronger willpower than me. The dough should be just right, soft but firm enough that you can roll it into a ball without it falling apart. Think of it like a play dough for foodies. If it holds shape in your hand, congrats, you have nailed the cutlet base. Now, grab a plate, crack open an egg, and give it a good stir. Whisk it up till it's smooth and ready. Think of it as the cutlet's glue that's going to hold all the crunchy breadcrumb magic in the place. Alright, time to dress up our cutlets. Take a small portion of the dough, roll it into a ball, and flatten it into a patty or whatever shape that makes you happy. Dip it into the beaten egg. This is like the Cutlets sunscreen before the real tan. Then roll it over the breadcrumbs till it's fully coated and looking all crunchy and fancy. Repeat the same with the rest, and boom, you got a tray full of cutlets ready to hit the pan. Time for the final showdown, frying these beauties. Heat some oil in a pan, slide in the cutlets gently and let them sizzle away. Don't overcrowd the pan, give them space, they need their beauty sleep while turning golden. Flip them once they're crisp on one side, fry till both sides are perfect golden brown. Crispy outside, soft inside, exactly how cutlets should be. Take them out, drain the extra oil, and try not to finish the whole plate before serving. And there you go, folks. Crispy, golden, melt in your mouth chicken cutlets ready to rock your snack time. Serve them hot with ketchup, chutney, or honestly, just eat them straight off the plate. That's what I always end up doing. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your foodie gang, and don't forget to subscribe to Atrian Kitchen for more fun home-style recipes. Alright then, until next time, take care, keep cooking, and try not to eat the entire plate before your family does. Ta-da, bye-bye.